Hey, welcome to another episode of Sticky Situation. We're back up here at the homestead. Working on getting things ready. It's a beautiful fall night, first part of October. The leaves are changing. It's beautiful out here. It's starting to get a little chilly, but hey, hunting season's here, I guess, so get ready. Just thought I'd tell you what I'm doing this week, or this weekend anyway. So as you see behind me, and maybe you saw in a previous video a small glimpse of it. Remember I had my Bobcat 320. I finally got it all fixed up. It was running mostly good. Well, mostly good. Apparently it had a leak in the main cylinder, in the spin cylinder, and the swivel. I think they call it the swivel cylinder. Anyway, so I took it to the dealership and they looked at it and they said, oh yeah, we can fix that for $12,000. And I'm like, $12,000. I think I bought it for 10. Anyway, so I thought, well, I can either invest $12,000 into that one or buy a new one, or a used one anyway. So I ended up buying this Kubota, not because I needed to or absolutely had to. I wanted to, because I need something to help move the logs around up here, to dig up here, just to be able to work, basically. So I ended up buying this online on auction and got it. It's been working pretty good. It's missing a bucket, but I just bought that today, so we're going to hook the bucket up. And I like it. It's way better than my other Bobcat, I will say that much. It's like way smoother, starts quieter. Does have steel tracks, which is nice for up here because the steel tracks grip this dirt real good. It's got a lot more power and pushing. It's a little bit bigger too, so that's a plus. I'm excited to be able to use it and to move things around up on the mountain with that, and then we can start digging for the cabin, getting the foundation put in. So hopefully between my case and this, we'll be able to do some good work with it and get some work done fast. So yeah, enjoy the fall colors, and we're going to be doing some digging with this, leveling with this, and kind of finishing out the road down the hill here, and then cutting some lumber because it's lumber cutting time. We got to get things ready for winter, and we got to start winterizing everything as well too. So I got to probably turn off the water this weekend and drain all the water lines and get everything ready, so the first freeze could be any time now. It's definitely going to get down to freezing tonight for sure. But hey, that's what it's like in the mountains. So stick around and enjoy. So I've never used one of these quick connect buckets before. We'll see how simple it really is to get on and off. I'm sure once I figure it out, it'll be great. So watch me try for the first time getting that on and off. I think we got it. It's pretty snazzy. Snazzy. Who uses the word snazzy anymore? I guess I do. I love this thing. It's so much quieter. You can actually talk in the camera and have the machine running, and it works great. Anyway, let's get to work. Quit being lazy. Alright, so this is definitely the biggest log I will have ever cut on my sawmill so far, my LM30. It says LM30, this is about a 30-inch log, so we'll see how close we can get. Man, loading this thing on it weighed like 2 cars. Good thing I had my Kubota there to lift it into place, but I think I knocked my whole rail out of square and everything else. The weight on it just pushed it down. We'll see how it cuts. It's going to be a little tight, probably a little wavy in a couple spots, but maybe once I shave it down a bit, then I can move it easier and I won't have to, I can fix the track, line it up again. Who knows? Anyway, we're going to give it a shot. Here we go. Yeah, here's what it looks like. not gonna get finished today, I guess. That's a beast and a half. Yeah, my track's definitely curved inside on this one. I get down to that point and it takes all my strength to push the thing, not to mention the cut. So I'll probably need a new saw blade plus straighten the track before I can cut this thing and actually make it square. Anyway, stick with it, you got this. I say that a lot for myself, but mostly for anyone who thinks they've got a hard task. We can always overcome it eventually. It just takes a couple days, sometimes a little bit longer. The way our lives go, what else you gotta do? Slave away and work, right? Anyway, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed this episode and all the things we're able to get done. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And give us a like, and any comments you have, please leave them down below. I'll gladly answer any of them that I can. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.